Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So friends, today our double barrel gun has worked. Both the bullets have fired today. So it's really happy news for everyone, those who are trading, because even the night strategy gave us money and even the day strategy also gave us money. And this is the real intention of doing this double barrel strategy. Now, what is a double barrel strategy? You can just check the previous video because I have mentioned that we are trying to make money with the same funds in the night as well as in day. Okay, so let us go forward and understand how we did our trading. And the stock selected was SBI futures, and you don't need a better understanding why we took up the stock. So you can see the stock continuously rallied, and in fact, SBI is one among my favorite strategy. You can see me even doing the equity 1 hour breakout. I've been telling it to all of you to please do the 1 hour breakout. It's very good. Okay, now let us come back to our covered call. We need to select a call option for selling. So you can see around 63 lakhs, sorry, open interest is available at 190. So 190 is fair enough for us to add into our watch list. In the month starting, friends, OTM and ITM won't make you much difference. Reason because the premium decay will be very less and also the premiums are good enough. But when you go towards month end, you can't keep OTMs because hardly there will be any premium. Okay. Now let us go to the insurance. I'm looking at around 10% far away strike price, and I can see 36 lakh available at 170. So I am adding the same to the watch list. So I'm just adding 170 to the watch list and 170 put. This is being taken as insurance. Okay, so let us sell the option first and make sure it is delivery, and we are placing limit orders. Always place limit orders, and it's going to be 8.10. The order is completed. So after that, let me buy the future. Again, it is delivery and I'm placing a market order, and I have placed my buy order in future as well. So once this is done, I have to place my insurance. So many are started asking, do we need really insurance now? Yes, friends, as long as we don't have to risk our capital, we will be placing the insurance as well. Okay, so you can see the three legs have been initiated. In case if you have missed my previous video, you can check on YouTube my previous video in Tata Motors. For as of now, you can only see SBIN. Okay, so the future you can see I have bought it, and also the call option you can see I have sold it, and also I've taken the insurance, the put option. Okay, so these are the three legs it has been bought. So these are the three legs which we have taken, and we will see morning what happened. So morning friends, this was a situation, although we have a profit of 1000 rupees P&L. You can just calculate it, you can find 1000 rupees profit, and the day's P&L is around 750. Okay, so overall P&L is what we have to consider always. It doesn't matter, hardly around 200 rupees difference. So my main intention was to make sure that we are in a small profits or big profits, or might be break even or small losses, and then recover with your day straddle. So let us see how we are going ahead. So you can see that I have closed the orders in the morning, so I'm not carrying it for a long time. Just that night, if there is any movement, we'll be making money in this strategy, and if at all money movement is good, we'll be making more strategy. If the movement is very bad, then we'll do the adjustments, otherwise not required. Okay, so let me just clear all this as of now. Okay, so that we can plan for our straddle, sorry, strangle. Okay, so let me just refresh. This is the SBI option chain, and the present price level is here. So let me just take OTM call option, and I can see 190, 195. uh, the price is around 7. It's fair enough, almost 10 rupees far. So let me just add the same into the watch list. Basically, we are trying to catch the premium decay. That is what is more important now. We are not going to guess the direction of the market because I don't want to risk my capital. The money is idle in the account. That is why I am doing this, and I am only depending on the premium decay. Now again in the put side again OTM with the same strike price, we have to make sure that we take the same strike price, and you can see at 180 we have got the strike price, and open interest also is fair enough. So let me add 180 as well into the watch list. So I'm adding the put option to the watch list. So you can see almost it is near 7 rupees. So 50 paisa, 60 paisa is not a problem difference. We can go ahead, and as of now we are doing short strangle, and I am taking initially 2 lots. Okay, because we have our 2 lakhs idle in the account, so we can take almost 4 lots as well. So let me first place order in 2 lots, and then later if I want I can increase the quantity. So the order is still not triggered. Okay, it's still pending. Yeah, it is completed now, I think. Yes, I can see line item there. Yeah, now let me sell the other leg as well. I am just adding two quantity. You can see 6,000 quantity is there. So let me do a little bit of tweaking. Okay, yeah, so it is completed. I have taken 6,000 quantity, that is nothing but 2 lots, and ideally around 50-60,000 fund is required for each lot. If you're doing cover order or bracket order, the fund will be much less, but you know that many people are not allowing bracket orders and cover orders now. So as of now I am placing only 2 lots, and then I will be adding 2 more lots because we have funds with us. Okay, so let me add 2 more lots. So placing one leg, it's completed. So let me add one more leg. Okay, so now you can see, yeah, it's still not executed. Let me move a bit. Yeah, so it's executed. So you can see that now I am having 12,000 quantity, and you can see that already we started making profits. It's in profit. These two legs are open as of now, and you can see 12,000 we have shorted, and the fund required is same thing which we have used for covered call, 2 lakhs which we use for covered call. I'm using 4 lots for doing the intraday strategy. If you're doing cover orders, oh, it's very good profit. Only 3,450 profits have reached. Profits have already crossed 4,000. So that is the reason why I decided to exit the position. So I can see that both the legs are in profit. Once you can see that both the legs are in profit and you are having decent profit of around 1 to 2%, then you can start booking your profits. And today we have just started the month, so just started the trading, so I don't want to make losses. As it the our main target is to keep the money safe. Okay, so whatever is available now, I am booking the profits. For me, 4,000 was my target, initial target which I had kept, so that is sufficient for us. Okay, so still not there. Just I have to just square off the positions. Okay, so let me keep limit order, and the price is okay. So I can see the market has moved, profits are slightly reduced, not a problem. We will accept whatever market gives us. So let me just move a bit down, sorry, a bit higher. Okay, I have placed at 7.15, expecting the order to get triggered now. So it's still not triggered. Let me place little more higher. Think it should be fine now. The net quantity was reduced to 9,000. Yeah, it's finally completed now. Okay, so you can see the small slippage was there, not a problem, but still we are in profit. We are closing with 3,750 today. If at all you see the overall P&L, if you see, we are closing at 3,750. Okay, so 3,500 was the profit we have got from uh, by doing the intraday hedging, the strangle. Okay, so this is what exactly I was talking to you, friends. Morning and night, we are making our money work for us. But without wasting much time, let me also quickly update into my Excel. So in the night, we made 1,000 rupees profit and 2,500 in the daytime. So as of now, you can see that we're in profit. So both the profits have been done. Sorry, I have to make this into green. This green gives really a good sight, especially for people those who are living out of trading when they see regular greens. Although accuracy is not very important, but still overall it gives a very good positive vibes. Okay, friends, so this was a trade which we had in our double barrel. So we made profit, as you can see, for the first time in both night as well as day. And this is what we are expecting regularly to happen as well. Okay, so any other doubts, any other confusion, always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.